All right, so files.hotExit controls whether unsaved files are remembered between sessions, allowing the save prompt when exiting the editor to be skipped. So you have three options here: off, which is bad, on exit and window close. So let me show you what this looks like. I mean, if it's off and you try to close VS Code, it's gonna prompt you, right, to like, what do I do with these unsaved files? So that's not very useful. On exit means that I'm gonna close VS Code, right? I'm gonna reopen it, and everything is back to normal except the window that I had here. But let's open that up again. And there's the unsaved file, right? And then, but on exit means hot exit will be triggered when the last window is closed, or when the workbench action quit command is triggered, but you know, that's not very common. So if you close this window, it's gonna prompt you, right, with on exit. And then you have another option, which is on exit and window closed, which so it's the on exit. So hot exit will be triggered when the last window is closed, and also for any window with a folder opened, regardless of whether it's the last window. Which means the difference between these two, it's kind of subtle, but it's just that now you can actually close this window and it won't prompt you, right? And if you want to get that file, that dirty file back, you have to reopen that same folder, and you'll have the dirty file here. If you just have on exit, it will prompt you to what to do with that dirty file before exiting. Now, to me, this is kind of weird because it means the dirty file becomes associated with this particular folder, right? And I don't find that to be very intuitive. So I would rather just keep on exit, and when you close this window, you have to decide what to do with this file. And it's not that this is a very common use case, at least not for me, but like when I want to close a window with a folder open, usually I don't want to save that dirty file because I don't care about it, right? I'm closing the window means I don't care about this folder anymore, and I don't care about this dirty file. So having that being automatically saved and being associated with that folder, which means that it will show up when I open that folder again on a new window, is kind of weird to me. So I'm just gonna leave this one as it is, which is with on exit instead of the other option, which is on exit and window close. So hopefully that was clear. And this option just makes it so that you don't have to deal with that message when you close and open VS Code. The dirty files will be there for you to do whatever you want to do with them, unless you want to actually close them and, you know, manually do the don't save option.